Let's start off this match in a civilized manner, guys.
Oh, handshake, good sportsmanship. I guess I'll...
What was that you said about civility, Cole? I saw humiliation and disrespect, and I love it.
Hey, maybe they shouldn't have taken the bait, right?
I agree with you, Cole. These two can't stand one another. I don't know why anyone thought we'd see otherwise.
Emotions running high in this highly anticipated match, but this match is now officially underway.
Certainly a very dramatic start to this contest. Just goes to show how intense this match is going to be.
Yeah, clearly this fight has been a long time coming, and now there's no more holding back.
Elbow drop.
Piercing.
He's got the answer for that one. Hurricane Rana.
Unbelievable athleticism.
You have solidified your name as a top athlete when you're able to pull off that move.
Hoisted up.
All the way out. Suplex.
Get back here. Leg lariat. Showing off the quickness. That'll turn things around in a hurry. Series of reversals.
Reversal on Hurricane.
Textbook fireman's carry takeover.
The damage he's taken is starting to pile up. Boom, what impact. Booker T is a guy who has seen and done it all in this industry. Do all those years of experience and all those championship reigns help him in the ring tonight?
No question, Cole. The more Booker T draws on all that in-ring expertise of his, the more challenging an opponent.
Uh-oh. Ah, straight to the floor.
That was playing with fire and getting burned.
The decision to take such a risk at this juncture is questionable.
And now gets tossed into the ring.
Oh, man, inverted backbreaker. Ow. Into the corner. This can't be good.
Extending their opponent's arm out.
Oh, man, leg drop arm breaker. Well scattered reversal there. Oh, big knockdown, another clothesline.
Building momentum.
This superstar's match to win. Cover. No, shoulders up at 2. Wow. Just punched him right in the mouth. Relentless.
Enough already.
He's stalking his opponent from the top turnbuckle.
Take off. A sky-high low down. Oh, my goodness.
Ah, what a smash.
That is just insulting.
Booker cuts him off.
Hoisted up. And draped over the top rope all the way to the floor.
Out of the ring, what's his plan here? Here we go. Beautiful. Swinging neck breaker. Booker T needs to figure something out.
Yeah, Booker needs to rethink his strategy fast.
Answer after answer for each other's offense here.
Super kick!
Elbow drop.
Piercing.
Piercing elbow drop.
Clearly waiting for that.
A strong head scissors application. And now the elbows.
Oof. There are a lot of ways this can go sideways. Everything on that stage looks like it hurts. It'll take things into the ring.
Hurricane should have second thoughts about this superhero posing he's doing. Cutting off the Okay, consider that a harsh lesson. Oh, caught a powerbomb. Right to the knee.
Knife edge chop echoing through the arena. Ooh,
just stomping down. Booker diagnosing his target.
Ducking underneath. This is a unique move.
Vertebreaker. Taken down with his own move. Amazing.
There's two.
And he is incredulous after the kick out. Almost lost to his own move.
That was the home run shot that got robbed at the fence.
Straight to the knee.
Get back here. Leg lariat.
Hits him with the counter.
Booker T.
Axe kick. That should do it.
Can Hurricane come back from that? Shoulders down.
No, he beats the count.
Goodness gracious, the Hurricane is still in this one.
I did not see that coming.
That was plan A, and it didn't work. He must be thinking about plan B at this point. He finds a counter for the Hurricane.
Drops the hammer.
Right on the lower back.
From the top. Oh, misses the mark. No, Scorpion death drop.
Good night.
And the damage continues to stack up on the Hurricane.
Yeah, Booker has to be contemplating how to end things here.
Elbow drop.
Piercing.
Just punched him right in the mouth. Relentless. Right in the face.
My God.
And Booker T is keeping the match at his pace.
This is what I was talking about. Booker T drawing on that in-ring expertise to great effect.
Elbow lands hard. They've got their opponent's arm.
Driving a knee into the arm. And he gets delivered back into the ring. Oh, clothesline.
He moved, but can he capitalize?
I guess here's the cover for the win. He wins! He wins!
Here is your winner, Booker T.
Fueled by the disrespect shown to them before the bell, you can't deny that it gave them a bit of an edge in this one. An edge that drove them to come out on top.
You have to consider this win a point made. This is a demand for respect.
Who knows if they've earned it from their opponent with this win, but they've certainly earned it from the WWE Universe.